I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
I think it's interesting. Like, look, the finer details I haven't paid too much attention to, but the stuff with Kraken, just as you kind of laid out the prongs of the Howey test before, offering a yield service is a security. It's not a. It's interesting because everyone refers to the Howey test. They think, is it a test of is your thing a security or not? That's not what the Howey test was about. The Howey test was originally about orange groves. So it's not about is your thing a security. It's is your offering an investment contract that is a security, right? That vehicle of like how you convey a relationship with someone. And very apparently the idea that you're going to get, it comes off like a security. It doesn't have to literally be equity in something. And I think it's something that maybe more stringent compliance lawyers would have shot down ahead of time saying this is a problem. It's almost, though, on the other side of it, frustrating the regulatory clarity and through enforcement of how the SEC operates in general, because this stuff was going around for a while, I think, before Kraken got on board. Like BlockFi was the first one that we already knew this was coming when BlockFi got shut down on this. So the writing was already on the wall. When people say like, we just need like clarity, it's sometimes being used disingenuously because you know what you're doing, you just haven't been caught yet. But in the same breath, like to me, I just find it frustrating where like, why would they move so slow? And they took this was the time to do it. And I think there's a lot of coordination if you look at Operation Choke Point 2.0, what they're calling it, just the complete shutdown of all of these like crypto banking services and like interaction with the fiat world and Bitcoin. I view it as definitely more of a coordinated political effort. I think it's pretty apparent.